So it's finally happened. Um, One of the side mirrors on the cars that come in the house side swiped the main line here. So what I am doing now is redoing this entire section because the tracks completely bent up and I had to cut them up. So this is some of the aftermath of what has happened. And I am now installing a new bridge, which is up here on the garage. So I've added this part as a new bridge to the garage. I'm gonna fix this track here. Also add the road bedding, some greenery as well. As you can see, I put the measurements of what I'm gonna need for this section. So when the garage goes up and down, it'll work like it's supposed to. And then come back down into the slot and fit right here as it did before. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and press the button for the garage door and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Okay, here's our piece. Okay, that fit down just nicely. Perfect. Perfect, that's exactly what I wanted. And now it's lined up like I need it. And then what I'm gonna do now is add the cork road bed here, under here to line it up. I'm gonna take this track out and put in a new track, add some more cork road bed here, of course the ballast, and a little more greenery. And this section should be ready to go again. And of course a little bit of glue for this spot here. So that was also damaged in the process. And that piece is actually right here. Okay, now the mainline tracks are now back together. These are new pieces that I added. They are, as with the rest of the layout, Pico Code 100 nickel silver. And this is the section I mentioned earlier that was damaged. So here's the main line for both eastbound and westbound. And here's our daylight that is now lined up and ready to go for that test run. And let's see what happens. We're going to take it slow. Okay. Okay, it's now making this round from Candlestick Park. And we're going to try out that new piece of track as we get ready to head towards Los Angeles as it just left San Francisco. And here's that section. And this is the finished product. It's lined up where I need it to be. The section is now replaced. It's now attached to the garage instead of actually to the side of the wall as it was before. The tracks can now be put together using our rail joiners. There's one there for this section in front of that push pin. And then the other one is on the track that is actually attached to the garage door when it goes up. Okay. As for this section that does not have the ballast, that's on purpose because the track does move based on temperature, if it's hot or cold, you know. And I didn't want to put ballast there because that track will still have to flex and turn to fit like this. Okay, and the same for this one here. So when I'm ready, I'll just put this like that and then slide the rail joiners over and then the train can continue in either direction. But for now, I had it just like this before, This is a extreme close up. And when the garage door goes up and down, everything goes like it's supposed to. And the cars fit like it's supposed to. There's plenty of space there for the SUV, and the other car, it's over there. Okay, so here's our finished section again that was replaced. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for tuning in.